If you're looking for a fun, efficient, and convenient way to get around, you're in the right place. Today, I'm reviewing 5 of the best electric scooters you can buy right now, focusing on speed, range, ride quality, and overall value so you can find the right one for your needs. Let's get into it. We have included links in the description. Number 1. Junling RD2 Electric Scooter for Adults, 5000W Dual Motor Electric Scooter, 50 miles per hour top speed, 55 miles max range, 60V/25Ah battery, dual suspension hydraulic braking system, 10.5-inch off-road and LED light. If you're looking for an electric scooter that delivers extreme power, high speeds, and serious long-range performance, the Junling RD2 is built for riders who want far more than a typical commuter scooter. In the US market, this model falls into the high-performance category, competing with premium scooters designed for experienced riders who prioritize speed, acceleration, and off-road capability. The first specification that grabs attention is the massive 5000W dual motor setup. Most commuter scooters sold in America operate with motors between 350W and 1000W. The RD2 takes performance to another level, providing substantially stronger acceleration and hill climbing ability. One of its biggest attractions is the advertised top speed of up to 50 miles per hour. That's significantly faster than most city-focused scooters and places it closer to lightweight motorized transportation than casual last-mile commuting. For experienced riders, that kind of speed can make longer trips feel more practical and enjoyable. Range anxiety remains one of the biggest concerns among electric scooter owners, and the RD2 addresses that with an advertised maximum range of up to 55 miles. Real-world results depend on rider weight, terrain, speed, weather, and riding style, but the large battery capacity provides confidence for extended trips. Number 2. Maxshot Electric Scooter for Adults, 8.5/10/14 TIRs, 19 to 22 miles per hour, 350W/500W motor, 21 to 28 miles range, folding e-scooter with dual suspension, app control. The MAXSHOT electric scooter takes a very different approach than ultra-powerful models like the Junling RD2. Instead of focusing on extreme speed and off-road performance, the Maxshot is built for everyday practicality, affordability, and convenience. It's designed for commuters, students, and casual riders who want dependable transportation without spending premium-level money. One of the first things buyers notice is the variety of available configurations. Depending on the model selected, riders can choose different motor outputs, tire sizes, speed capabilities, and range options. This flexibility allows buyers to select a version that best matches their transportation needs. The available 350W and 500W motor options are well suited for everyday urban riding. While they don't deliver the explosive acceleration of high-performance scooters, they provide enough power for most commuting situations, bike paths, and neighborhood travel. The advertised top speeds of up to 19 or 22 miles per hour align closely with what many American cities consider appropriate for electric scooter use. For most riders, this speed range strikes a comfortable balance between efficiency and safety. Range is another important factor. With advertised distances between 21 and 28 miles depending on the model, many commuters can complete several days of travel before needing a recharge. For students, office workers, and short-distance travelers, that level of endurance is often more than sufficient. The folding design is one of the scooter's strongest advantages. In urban environments, portability matters. Riders may need to carry their scooter onto public transportation, store it in an office, or place it inside an apartment. The folding mechanism helps make daily transportation more convenient. Number 3. Wary Electric Scooter, 500/350W powerful motor, 22/19 mph max speed, 28 to 15 miles range, lightweight foldable kick scooter with dual braking systems, smart app. If you're searching for an affordable electric scooter that balances portability, performance, and everyday practicality, the Wary Electric Scooter is designed with commuters and casual riders in mind. Rather than targeting speed enthusiasts, this model focuses on making daily transportation simple, efficient, and budget-friendly. One of the biggest selling points is the choice between 350W and 500W motor configurations. This allows buyers to choose the performance level that best matches their needs. For most urban riders, both versions provide enough power for bike lanes, neighborhood roads, and short commutes. The scooter's advertised top speeds of 19 to 22 miles per hour fall within the range that many American riders find comfortable for daily use. Fast enough to save time compared to walking, but not so fast that it becomes intimidating for beginners. Battery range is another practical feature. Depending on the model and riding conditions, the scooter can deliver between 15 and 28 miles per charge. For students, office workers, and short-distance commuters, that's often enough to cover several days of travel before recharging. One area where the Wary stands out is portability. The lightweight folding design makes it easier to carry into apartments, classrooms, offices, or public transportation systems. In crowded cities where storage space is limited, portability can be just as important as speed. Safety is also a focus. The dual braking system provides additional stopping confidence compared to single brake designs. Having multiple braking mechanisms can improve control and rider security, especially in busy urban environments. Number 4. Oscooter C1 electric scooter with seat for adults, 450W folding commuter scooter, 20-mile range, adjustable seat, UL 2272 certified, includes phone holder and lock for daily urban travel, classic black. The Oscooter C1 takes a different approach than many electric scooters on the market. Instead of focusing solely on standing operation, it includes an adjustable seat designed to improve comfort during longer rides. For adults who prefer a more relaxed riding experience, this can be a significant advantage. One of the first features many buyers appreciate is the included seat. While standing scooters dominate the market, some riders experience fatigue during extended trips. The seated design helps reduce strain on the legs and can make commuting more comfortable. The 450W motor provides enough power for daily urban travel. While it won't compete with high-performance scooters built for speed enthusiasts, it delivers adequate acceleration for city streets, bike lanes, and neighborhood transportation. The advertised 20-mile range fits well within the needs of many American commuters. Whether traveling to work, running errands, or navigating a college campus, this range covers most routine transportation needs. Another practical advantage is the folding design. Despite including a seat, the scooter remains portable enough to store in apartments, offices, garages, or vehicle trunks. The adjustable seat accommodates riders of different heights, helping improve comfort and riding posture. This feature is especially useful for households where multiple people may share the scooter. Number 5. Highboy S2 Pro electric scooter, 500W motor, 10-inch solid tires, 25 miles range, 19 miles per hour folding commuter electric scooter for adults. The Highboy S2 Pro is one of the most recognizable commuter electric scooters in the United States. It has built a strong reputation by offering dependable performance, practical range, and everyday usability at a price point that appeals to a broad audience. At the heart of the scooter is a 500W motor that provides a balanced combination of acceleration and efficiency. For city commuting, neighborhood travel, and campus transportation, the motor delivers enough power to handle most everyday situations comfortably. The advertised top speed of 19 miles per hour aligns well with the needs of many commuters. It's fast enough to significantly reduce travel times compared to walking while remaining manageable for riders with varying levels of experience. Range is one of the S2 Pro's strongest features. With up to 25 miles of advertised travel distance, many users can complete multiple trips before needing to recharge. This makes it especially attractive for people who rely on their scooter for regular transportation. One of the standout features is the use of 10-inch solid tires. Unlike pneumatic tires that can puncture, solid tires eliminate the risk of flats. For many American riders, that means less maintenance and fewer unexpected interruptions. So those are 5 of the best electric scooters available right now. If one of these looks like the right fit for your commute or daily rides, check the links down below for the latest prices. And if you're still not sure which one to choose, drop your question in the comments, I'll help you out. Thanks for watching.